So hey loves, I have a really exciting video that I'm going to film right now, and that is we're going to transform into Abigail from Stardew Valley. Okay, I've had this game for like a month and I already have like 70 hours logged onto it. Oops. And my three favorite characters, just so y'all know, are Elliot, Abigail, and Sebastian. And I love all three of them so much, it's a problem. And of course I'd like Elliot. This is English. I'm an English teacher, of course. But Abigail, I just love her aesthetic. I just love everything about that. I love me a purple-haired girl that's just not afraid to eat some rocks. Okay? If you haven't played Stardew Valley, that's not gonna make any sense to you, but love me a rock-eating gal. So we're gonna do that, but in order for me to do that first, I have to get my laptop. So this is a really long, like, winded intro, because as soon as the warranty went off on this laptop, it needed its battery serviced. So after like 2 years of a battery that's just like, you need to be serviced, we finally got it serviced. So off we go to get my laptop, and then we'll actually get started on turning into Abigail. So I like tore into my box like a feral animal, but is here is clean. They cleaned my crusty laptop. I'm so happy. I missed my Eve. We ready to be Abigail now, because now I have my editing device back. Yes, yes. Welcome home, Eve. Welcome home. First things first, we in the bathroom. We gotta cut this hair to make her bangs look like the way they're supposed to. And like, I've heard that this is like some sort of like wig from the Descendants or whatever. I've never seen the Descendants, so I wouldn't know. But when I saw it, I was like, oh man, this is perfect for Abigail. I'm gonna put the linky link in the description so that way you can get you like a perfect wig for Abigail as well, in case you want to. But it's time to cut some nice little bangs into this wig. Alright, so first things first, I section this off into 3 sections. Then I stick it up in a cute little clip, and then I start hacking away. Then I add a couple of layers here and there just to give it some volume. Next, I straighten it all out so that way it'll be easier to style. And then I add hairspray to start giving it that cute little twirl at the end of her hair like she has. Hairspray and a blow dryer are your best friends when it comes to styling a wig, as well as if you want a little curl, get one of those round brushes. It works wonders. To really get that point nice and sharp, I hairsprayed it down, I pinched it, and then I blew it on it with a hairdryer. And then I basically repeated the same thing on the other side. the makeup. First I started with some foundation. And then I set it all with some powder. Next, I add a nice light pink blush. I do skip the contour for this tutorial just because she doesn't need it. She has a cute little round face, and I have a cute little round face. Anyway, add some highlight. And of course, I prime my eyelids. I take a nice dark purple shade and I fill in my eyebrows with it so that way it matches the wig. Then I set the primer with a nude shade. Then I take a very light purple and put it all over my lid, and then I take a dark purple and buff it out in my crease. Take that same dark shade and put it underneath my lid. Then I take a really sparkly purple and put it right in the center of my lid. Then I take a champagne shade and highlight my brow bone and inner corners. Then I add a little bit of winged liner to have a little bit of a cat eye, but not really, and then I tight line. My mascara. This is also where I put my false lashes on, but I didn't want to put false lashes on at that time. I go ahead and put on my wig here so that way the wig hair doesn't get in my lipstick. Then I add my nice pink lipstick. And now I'm all done. Thanks for watching, everyone. I had a lot of fun putting this together. See you next time.